Let's see how you can actually build a simple Spanish lead generation chatbot to collect customer details and store them for future marketing purposes as well. So here I'm in a demo account. So if you want to create this particular lead generation chatbot on Instagram, then you need to connect your Instagram account right here. So to do that, go to channels option over here. It will take you directly to settings channels, where you can simply log in with your Instagram account, make sure all the permissions are allowed, and simply connect it. So here if I click on learn more, we have the step-by-step guide on how to connect your Instagram account, make sure all these permissions are allowed, and then simply choose the Instagram account and connect it. That's it. So it will take just a few seconds for you to connect your Instagram account, and once it is done, you can actually build any sort of automations on your Instagram account. So you have to go to the flow section, and let's create a very simple flow to collect the specific customer details. So here we are, the idea is offering a specific free guide for them, and then ask for their email address and then send the guide right there. So you can also send emails within the platform as well. For example, if you go to settings, and here you can find channels option, where you can connect your email using SMTP and then send any sort of emails within the platform as well. All right, so let me go to the flow section and create the flow, and let me say Spanish simple lead gen. All right, so that's a flow name, and here you can add the specific messages. So the first message is this one. So let me copy the whole message over here, send message, add content, text, and just paste it. All right, and from here you can simply send the specific messages as well. For example, this is a button, yes button, and then no button as well. So let me send the yes button over here, and then this is the no button as well. All right, so here this is the no button. All right, so if they say yes, then we can send the next messages. So if they say no, we simply send this message as well. So let me set the message for the no as well, add content, text. All right, this is the no message. All right, so if they say yes, let's see what happens. So here we have to ask for their email address. All right, so here the user input will be the email address. So in this case, instead of using the text option, you have to get the user data. So we want to collect the customer data, so you have to use get user data, add the specific message you want to send, and here you can edit it, and you have to set the email reply type email and email response saved in the email field, and remove the skip button as well. So that means if empty, the user will be forced to fill this field. All right, so once they have provided the email address, you can set the email opt-in as well. That means you can send emails within the platform as well. So email, set the email opt-in as well. All right, and then you can send the next messages over here. So this is the message right here, and provide the guide as well. All right, so here let me send the specific message for them. All right, and here this is the link to the guide as well. So here let me add the message right here and add the link button. You can add any button label as well, and add the link of that specific guide as well. So here the link is this one. So you have to upload the specific guide in a PDF file in a Google Drive or any other drive, and provide them the specific direct link as well. And you can, if you want, you can add the button label as well. So currently it says button 1. All right, and then you can simply add the next messages right here as well. For example, if you want to add any sort of delays, you can do that, typing delay. All right, and then send the next type of messages as well. Suppose if you want to send the specific guide in an email, you can do that as well. So you can use a send email option over here, and simply add the specific subject, pre-header, headline if you want. Otherwise you can remove these images, you can do that, and enter the text and the button as well. So this will be sent as them in an email as well if you want, but here I'm not going to do that. Here you can also send other follow-up messages as well with specific buttons as well. So this is a very simple flow right here. Just ask for their email address and send them the specific guide as well. So if you want to send a follow-up message within the Instagram, you can do that as well. You can add a wait delay block over here, and you can send follow-up within 24-hour window. So you can set the specific hours, minutes as well. So it says 1 hour, and then set the specific message you want to send as the follow-up as well. So that's also another option if you want to send the follow-up messages. Again, I'm not going to do that, so let me delete these options. And here, this is the flow, very simple flow. Just collect the email address and provide the guide. All right, and click on publish. All right, so this has been published now. So now this is the flow name, Spanish Simple Lead Gen. So now you can go to the marketing tools over here and choose Instagram comments automation and create a new one. And let me say Spanish Lead Gen. So here the idea is that when someone actually comments on your Instagram post or reels with a specific keyword, and from here we can actually trigger the automation. So instead of they sending a direct DM, you can also trigger this from the comments as well. So let me choose all posts, so it will work on all the posts and reels as well. So here we can set up a specific keyword, so it will work only for that specific keyword. For example, let me say demo. Only if they comment as demo, then this automation will work. So private reply, you have to select the specific flow we have made, so this will be sent as a DM for them. And public comment reply, you can say send your DM sent, etc. So let me say send your DM, and here you can add different variations as well. For example, DM sent, etc. And here you have more options as well. You can even delay these comments automation by few minutes, hours as well. But let me click on save over here. All right, it has been saved. Make sure this is active as well. All right, it's active as well. So let's test how this actually works. So let me share my phone screen over here and open a random post and add the comment. So the keyword I set up was demo. All right, I added the comment demo, and now this should trigger the automation and send us the specific message. So the first message should be sent to us right here. So here we receive the first message in the DMs. So if you go to the see post option, we should receive a comment reply as well saying DM sent. So now let me go to the specific post over here and let me tap on this yes button. All right, so now it's gonna simply ask me to provide the email address right here with specific message we have set up. So let me provide a random email address right here just for the demo at gmail.com. All right, and now then it will then send the other messages we have set up right here. So it says invalid email, so we have to provide a better email address in the correct format. All right, so this is email in the correct format. So now it should go to the next step right there. All right, perfect, and it simply send the message. So if I click on this button, it will take them directly to the specific guide link over there and also send the next message as well. Simple as that. So if you go to the unified inbox, you can track all these conversation happened. So inbox, so the last conversation from the Instagram, so you see all these conversation happened along with the customer's email address as well. Simple as that. And since you have already collected their email address, you can actually send specific broadcast campaigns through the email as well. So broadcast, and you can send broadcast right here, and here you can choose email right here and send them specific broadcast campaign as you like as well. You can even schedule these campaigns for later dates as well. And if you want to use this one for the email marketing, you can go to the marketing tools and use the drip campaign option, where you can send a series of messages for them as well. For example, demo email campaign it says. So here you can create drip campaign and select specific flows with the email as only the email to send specific drip campaigns as well. All right, so the possibilities are endless right here, and that's a quick video how you can actually build a simple Spanish lead generation chatbot. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.